Alright guys, we just finished checking out Ikebukuro, a famous meeting spot here in Ikebukuro. I want to show you guys how crazy the train system is and how busy it is. I'm not going to be talking. We're going to also ride a train on this live, see if it's choppy or not. But hopefully it doesn't get chopped off or cut and laggy. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and see how the second largest train station looks like here in Tokyo, Japan. Good morning and come with me. Let's go on this next adventure, but this time how it is to be on a train station. All right, as always, it's not a gimbal, so it might be shaky. And since we're in the train station, we got our Pasmo. I've had this Pasmo for about 14-15 years now. As you can see, that's crazy over there, sea of people. But we're gonna have to look for JR lines. So we're gonna go that way because we're gonna go to the Yamanote line. I'm not sure where yet, but here we go. For those joining, good morning here in Tokyo, Japan. This is the second largest train station in Japan, Tokyo. We're gonna go ahead and show you the sights and sounds. And it's a very early morning, no one's talking except me, so I might stay quiet in this live stream and just show you the views, and I'll go ASMR for you. Look at this Tokyo banana. All right, it's hot. The temperature is hot right now. The time is about turning 9. It's turning 9 o'clock. And for me to know where the train station is, it's here, JR lines. But we just don't go into any train station. We're gonna have to look at the top of the things. So as you can see, this one, if you want to, maybe help you out if you're here. It shows you the platform number, JR Yamanote, platform number 5 and 6. They're heading for Shinjuku, Shibuya, Shinagawa. JR Yamanote line 7 and 8 are heading for Nippori, Ueno, and Tokyo. So today, this morning, I feel like going over to Yoyogi. So Yoyogi is more closer this way, I would say. So let's go after Shibuya, it will be Yoyogi. We're gonna look for 5 and 6, which is right there. It's getting crazy, it's the morning, 9 o'clock rush. Hopefully we don't get smushed. Here we go. All right. Platform 5 and 6. I'm gonna go check out these these gachapon real fast. Only because my son loves these. There's a bug. Oh, shit. UFO style. And the 300 yen. These are the salarymen that you put on your noodles. Bon Jovi has gachapon. Not so sure. This is cool. These are like those help buttons that you'll see at this like the crossing stations. They're also like the train emergency stops. But I'd want one of these. One of this would be cool. Oh, Jin, if you're watching, look at this One Piece card game keychain stuff. My homie TJ is the one that brought me into this kind of like knowledge of that. So it's interesting seeing. There's even Dragon Ball stuff. And this rat bread. Very cool. In Guam, these are like $10, $12. Over here, it's like $3, $3.50. Not bad. Look at this. I always see this. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a Macho Man anime. There's Kirby. And this one, Miffy. If you know who's Miffy, there's a Miffy. And Popsicle. A bug. These are interesting. There's like a keychain. Oh, there's some even like ham, gachapon, and Lotte keychain, neck straps, neck holders. Macho Construction Gorilla Men, very interesting. And yeah, I'll come back for this, but we gotta hurry and get the train because look at this rush of people. Okay, so when I'm in the train, guys, I will be quiet. It's part of the culture, and we're gonna respect that here in Tokyo. We're not gonna be talking, and plus it's probably gonna be quiet anyways. Everyone's gonna be probably doing their own thing. We just missed the train. Too busy looking at Gachapon. But that's not a problem. There's always another train in the next 3 minutes, I believe. So if you're in Japan, Tokyo, and you want to figure out where you're going, what exit you got to go to, these signs here, the yellow, they're what show you which exit, what gate you're trying to exit. Pretty much gate means the exit area, and then all the other lines they have and heading to where it's going. Kawagoe is a cool place. Shonan Shinjuku line, that's cool. Sometimes it has the rapid, which is this one. I think they blocked out the blue and orange looking color. I think that's rapid. And the Psycho line. You could also take that JR or JA line. And yeah, these platforms here, you don't stay in the middle, stay on the sides and you let people come out first. Here's Ikebukuro. I think that's a famous vlogger. I've seen him before. I can't get his name right now. But he's a famous vlogger. That guy that just passed, I remember his face. He's a famous vlogger. That's cool. Oh, he also skateboarded before. I forgot his name, but that's interesting. Here's the Ikebukuro sign. Balik ka pa, Guam boss. Oh, people are in. Hey, I might actually be heading to the Philippines after this. I have so much vlogs coming you guys' way. But yeah, Robert Hood, good morning, Mark. Welcome back to Japan. Thank you. It's hot. It's still the summer. It's like ending. It's almost autumn season. The wind is kind of getting colder, but it is hot. When I get in a train, guys, I'll be quiet, so you might not see or hear me say anything. And you can also hear the sound where it's coming. So it lets you know what track number and 6. So you can see 6. So you don't really need to speak or know how to understand and read Japanese. It has English here. It lets you know it's coming, which is that one, the JR Yamanote line. We'll go ahead and take that. It's probably gonna be like a 15-minute ride to Yoyogi Station and or Shibuya. I might end the stream right when we land. Okay guys? But here we go. Ikebukuro. Ikebukuro. ご乗車ありがとうございます。次は目白に停まります。There's where you can see where you're at and where it's heading. Alright, we're about to leave.
This is the Yamanote line train stop for Shinjuku and Shibuya. The next station is Meijiro. JY14. The doors on the right side will open. The next station is Takadano-baba. JY15. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the favorite Shinjuku line at the Todai South.
So it might get busy when we hit Shinjuku, but hopefully people don't mind me live streaming. Yeah, it's almost rush hour. I think it is already. You can even hear train jingles and more. For those just joining, thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like, comment down below where you want to see me, and subscribe. I'm actually here in Tokyo doing these virtual live streams and vlogs.
次は新大久保お出口は右側です。お客様にお願いいたします。車内では携帯電話をマナーモードに設定の上、通話はお控えください。ご協力をお願いいたします。The next station is 新大久保 JY16. The doors on the right side will open. Please set your mobile phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on the phone.